Okay, so hello everyone. We are back with another video, and actually, this will not be a video, this will be a series in which we're going to build a complete social media application where all the features will be present of normal social media app like Instagram. Okay, and this will be application in which we will not only build UI. Okay, we will be going to build backend also, like how the database will be and how we will connect the database, all these things. So let's get started without wasting time. Okay, so this is the project I have created using expo init command, and I have installed all the libraries which we will be going to use uh, for the basic setup, and these are the libraries. Okay, so the for the navigation we will be using React Navigation library, and you can install it by npm install React Navigation. And for that we also need some other libraries. Okay, just go to Google and search React Navigation. In the documentation, you will see here installing dependencies into an Expo managed app. So you just copy and run into the terminal. Okay. And for the navigation stack, we need React Navigation stack, and for we are going to build bottom tab navigation in this application. So for that, we also need React Navigation tabs, and for React Navigation tab, we need React Native Paper. Okay, and for the component library, we are going to use native base, and for the icons, we are going to use vector icons, okay, which is provided by Expo. Okay, so let's start the initial setup. And here in the screen, I want five buttons in bottom tab navigator. Okay, so we are going to quickly create five screens first. Okay, let me create a folder of a screen first. Okay, so I created a basic setup, and now we need a navigation. For that, we are going to create a folder, navigation, and in that folder, we are going to create a file, navigator.js. Okay, and in this file, first of all, I'm going to import React, and from React Native, I need platform to actually, yeah, we need this. Okay. Here first screen will be our home screen. Okay. And I'll just copy this, and the second will be our search navigator. Okay, search navigator, search screen, and the next one will be our upload screen. We need 5, so I just copy and paste. Okay, the next one will be upload screen. The last one will be our profile navigator. Okay, so I've created 5 stack navigator, and now we need one bottom tab navigator. So we create it, tab navigator. It's all written in the documentation. You can head over there if you have any doubts. For the first one, it will be our home screen, and for that we need screen will be home navigator, and we also need some navigation options. For that, first of all, tab bar icon will be okay. So we receive tag info from this, and here we can return an icon, and the name of icon will be based on platform. Okay, I'll just come into this. Size will be 25. Okay, this will be 25, and color will be um, tab input dot print color. Okay, and for the icon name, we will check platform.os equals to Android. Then we need AMD home, else iOS home. Now for the next one, I'll be creating search. Okay, so I'll just copy this and paste this. Screen will be search navigator, and here icon will be MD search. Research, and the next one will be our upload navigator. Okay, upload navigator, and the icon will be add circle. For iOS, add circle. Okay, this will be our screen. Okay, there's something stuck. This will be like this. And the next will be a request screen. Copy paste. Screen will be request navigator, and icon will be contacts. For the icon, you can head over to the website this. Okay, here you will find all the icons which are given by ion icon. You can filter ion icons from here. Okay, and you can see all the icons. The next one will be our last one, that is profile screen. Profile. Okay. Here the icon will be MD happy and iOS happy. Okay. Here you can import the navigator from navigation slash navigator and simply returning navigator, and we don't need any styling here. Okay. Now we are getting an error in navigator screen where, okay, so I forgot to close the icon tag. Okay, so let's just close these tags. Okay. Okay, and in the end we also need to export it, export our main navigator. Now you can see we are navigating to other screens. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to build our home screen in which we'll show how a post of a user will look like. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.